Hello, meet Rahul Mehta. He's the director of his family-owned SME manufacturing business. In the last 10 years, Rahul's business has grown by over 40% with 3 new factories in Karnataka and Gujarat. But he noticed that along with business growth, many operational problems are slowing down his business. Since years, his staff used Excel and emails for core processes. This led to problems like manual dependency, zero visibility and insight of inventory, no accountability and traceability, which led to delay in orders.
As a result, Rahul was frustrated with inefficiencies at every stage. Until now, he had not come across any tool designed specifically for SME manufacturing businesses like his. He was looking for an SME business tool that is simple and easy to use for end-to-end digitization. Tool that provides better inventory insight, ensures high accountability and control, and is cost-effective and implemented quickly. Rahul's partner recommended that he should try TranZact. In the next 15 days, TranZact helped Rahul to solve key business problems effortlessly. With TranZact, Rahul was able to reduce his inventory holding period from 60 days to 15 days, reduce physical inventory mismatch to only 1%, and reduce production costs by over 20%. He gained full inventory overview at one glance in real time. TranZact also provided him with quick lifetime support and 100% data security. TranZact is a GST-compliant cloud-based tool designed specifically for Indian SME manufacturers. It automates 4 key verticals of your business, that is sales, purchase, inventory, and production, enabling you to take data-driven decisions with cost reduction in multiple areas. Are you facing similar challenges in your SME manufacturing business? Watch to know how TranZact can help you digitize your business flow. Starting from quotation to final invoicing, automate all your regular business activities. After setting up your profile, you can directly start creating documents. Let's begin with the quotation module. Here you can analyze all your current quotations, create new quotations, and share over WhatsApp in less than 20 seconds. You can also convert a quotation into a confirmed order with a few clicks only. With TranZact, enable instant cloud documentation and professional collaboration. Your confirmed orders can easily be converted into production processes. All we need is a bill of material to proceed. With multi-level bill of material, you can map all your raw materials and track inventory. You can assess the raw material costing for each bill of material in just one click with an option of 4 types of pricing methods. With TranZact, managers can carry out in-depth production planning across stages. Want to find out if you have the required raw materials for production? Let's see. TranZact checks ongoing bill of material, open orders, open purchase orders, ongoing production, and provides you the final quantity to be ordered. Share purchase orders with your vendors and record material inward with quality check. Create production process and issue material with a single click. Also, test your finished goods and complete production. Lastly, create invoice and dispatch your goods with ease. TranZact's end-to-end digitization features offer strong integration of inventory with sales and purchase for a smooth manufacturing process. With several other value-added features, you can focus on business growth and minimize everyday firefighting within your teams. TranZact fully supports you in scaling your business and maximizing ROI. Do you want to try TranZact? Book a detailed demo.